So today, are we just gonna explore? Hopefully find a creek?
Yep.
If we find a creek to camp at 2 p.m., are we just gonna camp? You know, these no-agenda overland trips might be my favorite. That morning, we set out with no real goal in mind, just to find some badass trails, and of course, a creek for Chloe. It was Monday morning, Memorial Day, so we saw a few different camps, packing up for the weekend, heading back to the west side, I guess. Not us, though, as they were packing up their RVs and tents and side-by-sides. We were headed up the mountain, trying to find that last little bit of adventure. Little did we know, we were about to find some of the best trails we've ever found. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Looking at the creek.
You're gonna play in it?
I don't know.
How long are you gonna be?
I don't know. You should come look.
It's a creek.
Yeah. It's a creek.
Oh, I'm gonna relax. Don't ask me why, but it's her favorite thing in the world. Creeks. Oh, there's a memorial there. Jared Oyarzo, 7289 to 112814. Must have died here. That's sad. If anybody heard that belch, that was not me. That was not Pig. That was this young lady. I'll have to go around it. There's no way.
No,
No
you're gonna
way.
get stuck.
Yeah, I'll get stuck.
Look at that. That's where it's broken really much.
Okay.
A lot.
Well, I still need your best spotting skills, okay?
Yep.
So why don't you go up next to that log up there?
I go.
Watch out for that nail, too.
Ooh. Okay, good. There you go. He's like, no, I don't want to go in. I need some water. Over here. Yeah. Got the guy with some water. He's trying his best. Oh, he's going down.
I'm gonna fight 'em all. 7 Nation Army couldn't hold me back. They're gonna rip it off, taking their time right behind my back. And I'm talking to myself at night because I can't forget. Back and forth through my mind behind a cigarette.
Keep going.
Don't wanna hear about it. Every single one's got a story to tell. Everyone knows about it, from the Queen of England to the House of Hell. And if I catch you coming back my way, I'm gonna sell it to you. And that ain't what you want to hear, but that's what I'll do. And the steam's coming from my blood. It tells me go back home. Go back home.
There could be a way around it. It might be too steep. Just get out real quick and take a look. Whew.
Oh, yeah.
You're going down it? You're going down that?
I'm going down it. All right. This is going to be steep and it's going to be scary. All right.
Look at that. He made it. Oh, this is the best trail ever.
That's deep.
There's another way around this way, but...
Oh, there is another way around, but I'd still come off that step. I might be able to straddle this. I think that's the way to go. Or this tire.
Yeah.
Little Miss Chloe is turning into quite the little off-road spotter. Just saying. And now, look at what she's doing. She's just running down the trail. That kid is full of energy. It's probably all the candy I'll let her have. Oh, we are trying to find a creek or something to camp at. Someplace nice to camp. All right, so I think we found the campsite for our last night. It's not too bad. And there's a creek down there, down that way, that Chloe can go play at. And you know, we're at this point where we hit some hard four-wheel drive trails all day and we're exhausted. I think the Jeep is exhausted, Pig is exhausted. And we're riding around about a quarter tank of fuel, not including our jerry can. So I think we're gonna set up camp here for tonight and then probably have a nice breakfast in the morning and then head down to the highway, probably down to 410, take that back to the west side. So what do you think, Chloe?
I think it's good.
Yeah? All right, we'll get camp all situated and have some relaxed time.
Some show on the scene last night, swing low in the shifting light. For a minute you can lose me, and those moments are an eternity. Light another smoke as we go outside, a saxophone player with a sweep so wide, and a crowd gathering around him under the halo of a street light faded dim. He drew every last note so slowly, yet it's wrapped around the fingers, shaking off a primal shout. Now, how can we be so lonely to let the boredom linger? Acquire within, inquire without. You can show me what you're made of. I wanna see it for myself. Let me show you here what I made up from the ground. Let me know you like a movie that I curate the music. Do you know me yet? When we live up to the sound.
Brought to you by Dr. Pepper.
Oh my god.
What? What?
Stop it! Yeah, you just gotta put it up there, make sure, break it seam.
Oh, yeah, we gotta make sure the label. Don't show them that. Don't show them that. No. Generic root beer. We are not sponsored by Mug.
Mug.
No, Dr. Pepper's gonna get mad at us. It tastes awful, doesn't it?
It is delicious.
No, it's awful. She's lying. We only drink Dr. Pepper. She's just doing this to spite me. You realize how much money Dr. Pepper has given us? It's all gonna go away. All of it. Good morning. It is Tuesday, which is the last day of our trip. We're going home today. And I think we are just about ready to go home and get showered and try to relax the rest of the day before I have to go back to work tomorrow, and Chloe has to do some more school tomorrow. So, what do you think, Chloe?
Yeah.
A good trip?
Yeah.
Yeah. It is a beautiful morning.
The moon is finally showing.
But I can tell Chloe is ready to go home and see her kitten and see her dog and see Mom and the boy. So I've never seen Chloe pack up the tent that quickly, all the stuff inside of it. So I can tell she's ready to go. But I want to hit the hard trail out. So I think that's what we're going to do.
No.
Yeah,
because
we're gonna hit the hard trail out.
You want to rest for work?
Uh-huh. It won't take long to hit the hard trail out, especially if we leave early. All right, we're gonna have a quick breakfast. We're gonna get packed up, say goodbye to this campsite. It turned out to be a pretty good campsite. And I think Pig is ready too. You're running fast out there.
I am.
He's a tired pig. So we got to the end of that Jeep trail, our last little jaunt before we go home. Now we just have some regular old Forest Service roads down to the highway and beautiful drive past Mount Rainier home. officially done with the trip. We're all aired up. We're ready to hit the highway. What do you think, Chloe? Has it been fun?
Yes.
Yeah? Do it again next year?
Yep.
Do it again on the BDR?
Yep.
Yeah?
Sorry we didn't get to see any elk.
I know, me too. We heard some elk and we saw elk droppings.
And we saw elk hooves and we saw tracks from elk. It's like we were following this lost herd.
We saw a bunch of birds and stuff. What all the animals did we see? Woo!
We did see chipmunks. I didn't see any squirrels.
I saw a squirrel.
You did? Saw lots of bugs. Some birds. We saw like a stella jay, a hawk, falcon, we see robins, ravens, sparrows. I think a chickadee. Yeah.
Chickadee?
Mm-hmm. Chickadee.
Saw a lot of bugs. A lot of bugs. Jeez, a lot of bugs.
Not the flowers too.
Yep.
And there's the river.
Yeah. Well, I guess now we just enjoy the drive home, huh?
Yep.
Sounds good to me. So, I guess this has been Micah and Chloe with Cascadia Overland. Join us next time.